Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Devasis and you are watching Worldwide Program. Before starting this tutorial, to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start the tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll discuss about what is e-commerce. Uh, E-commerce or electronic commerce, a subset of e-business, is the purchasing, selling, and exchanging of goods and services over computer networks such as the internet, through which transactions or terms of sale are performed electronically. E-commerce is not just on the web. In fact, e-commerce was alive and well in business to business transactions before the web back in the 70s via electronic data interchange or EDI through value added networks. E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. E-commerce can be broken into four main categories, and they are B2B or business to business, B2C or business to consumer, C2B or consumer to business. The last one is C2C, consumer to consumer. First, we'll discuss about what is a B2B or business to business. Business to business or B2B refers to commerce between two businesses rather than to commerce between a business and an individual consumer. Companies doing businesses with each other, such as manufacturers selling to distributors and wholesalers selling to retailers. Pricing is based on the quantity of order and is often negotiable. Next one is B2C or business to consumer. B2C or business to consumer is the type of commerce transaction in which businesses sell products or services directly to consumers. Businesses selling to the general public typically through catalog utilizing shopping cart software. By dollar volume, B2B or business to business takes the price. However, B2C or business to consumer is really what the average Joe has in mind with regards to e-commerce as a whole. Have a hard time finding a book, need to purchase a custom high-end computer system. How about first class or inclusive trip to a tropical island? With advent commerce, all three things can be purchased literally in minutes without a human interaction. Oh, how far we have come. Next, we'll discuss about C2B or consumer to business. Consumer to business or C2B is a business model in which consumers or individuals create a value and businesses consume that value. A consumer posts his project with a set budget online, and within hours, companies review the consumer's requirements and bid on that project. The consumer reviews the bids and select the company that will complete the project. And Lance empowers consumers around the world by providing the meeting ground and platform for such transactions. The last one is C2C or consumer to consumer. There are many sites offering free classifieds, auctions, and forms where individuals can buy and sell thanks to online payments systems like PayPal, where people can send and receive money online. eBay auction service is a great example where person to person transactions take place every day since 1995. C2C or consumer to consumer, buyer to consumer site fills in as an arbiter between the customers and offers a chance to sell or buy merchandise straightforwardly. Companies using internal networks to offer their employees products and services online, not necessarily online on the web, are engaging in B2E or business to employee e-commerce. G2G or government to government, G2E or government to employee, G2B government to business, B2G or business to government, G2C government to citizen, and C2G or citizen to government are other forms of e-commerce that involve transactions with the government, from procurement to filing taxes to business registrations to renewing licenses. There are other categories of e-commerce out there, but they tend to be superfluous. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you all. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.